Let's get some ice cream. How much is it?
How much?
$9.50.
Okay, here, I pay.
Together or separate?
Together. Do you want me to hold the camera?
So $19.95 then.
Oh, you tap it.
Is it tap?
No, but I can put it in the...
You take Amex?
I'll take this.
Not Amex?
No, no. You have to come in here to use it, please?
Yeah. We just ate Touchman Dairy ice cream though, otherwise we'd have ice cream. We just came from there, oh my goodness. Is that one of your, do you like that one? It's melt in your mouth? Oh my goodness.
People say this is better. I don't know.
Oh,
I like D Dutchman for sure.
They had a whole bus of Chinese people get off just after we got.
Oh, thankful it was after, not before.
They'll come out. You probably see them here too, right?
No, they don't.
Really?
No, because they stop there, you know, to get whatever. And then they stop in Cregality down at where the last spike was put in.
That's right, yeah. Yeah.
The odd one, but not much.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we landed at LAX once.
Yeah.
We were on time, but there were 3 Asian planes come in, and you know, those great big. And then, if you've ever tried to clear customs and immigration at LAX.
Oh no!
Oh my goodness! And then with, and of course it was at midnight or whatever.
Oh my. Yeah, LAX. Andrew's told me it's a really old airport. Eh?
It is. It's.
Yeah, it's like they haven't really upgraded much.
No.
He says he loves it because of that old feeling, but I'm like, really? He's like, it's just a horror.
Do you have a stapler? Handy? Please and thank you.
Are these all your placemats?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. What are you looking for?
Well, I think I might just take those 4 guys. They're all really nice. But we'll just look around.
Yeah, why don't you go do the bridge and,
okay, cool.
then there's on the other side of the bridge there's a little bit of a trail to hike up. It's about 5 minutes or so.
Okay.
And then you're looking down at the creek and the gorge,
Oh, cool.
Pretty.
Nice. Okay.
Is there hot pools here?
They're on the other side. Were you interested in using them?
Well, I don't know. We're not totally sure. Like, we still gotta drive back to Calgary. What's it like there? Is it like hot or radium hot springs kind of thing?
Sort of, but ours are they're mineral water, but we heat them. This is what they are. This is a regular swimming pool and 2 hot pools, cold plunge pool. I said if you were going to do the 2 of them, then you would get a different rate.
Okay.
I could put the 2 together and give you a bit of a discount.
Okay. Well, we'll talk about it. Maybe
Sure.
we'll see.
Yeah.
I'll take it.
Sure,
Thank
you do.
so much.
And we have accommodations over there too.
Oh yeah, you have cabins, eh?
Suites.
But do you take dogs?
They do over there.
Oh, this isn't your place?
No. We also rent up here above the gift shop, but we don't take dogs up there.
Oh, okay.
But over there they do.
Wow, 240 foot suspension bridge. That's how high it is, eh?
That's how long it is.
Oh, that's how long it is. How high is it up?
You tell me when you get back in how high it is.
Okay.
Then she'll tell us the exact.
Because
height.
we bungee jumped off 160 foot in Whistler.
No,
That's way, this is way bigger. Oh,
no less.
it's less? Then 160, okay. That's the one where we stood right on, you have to go and jump out into the middle of the gorge, and I thought I was gonna die, and I meet you.
I would die.
You can't, it's hard to do, your body just keeps saying don't do it, don't do
Yeah,
it.
exactly. And then it freezes up.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. We'll talk to you in a minute. He's like, holy, you bungee jumping? I'm like, Dad, Roz and I went for an airplane ride. We sent him a picture of us in this. He's like, you went for an airplane ride?
Oh, which airplane did you fly? This one? Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh, was it a big nightmare?
Oh, yeah, I saw a bunch of kids.
Oh, yeah.
And 27
Oh, my goodness.
under that age, probably, and 7 out.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Like this is a lot shorter. This is like,
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, 100%. 89%.
isn't that neat? There's like a pool there.
Oh yeah.